What's up, Wakefield? Today we're going to interview two people from our very own Wakefield community. All right, today we're here with.
Brian Bustamante.
And what made you start boxing?
What made me start boxing? I've always had a little interest in it, but my mom's boyfriend really pushed me into, going into the sport. He talks a lot about it, and, I live with him, so I wanted to try it out, and, now I'm here.
And when was that?
It was like July, over the summer. I do it every day, it's bettered my life physically and mentally. I'm physically stronger, and, my mental health is pretty good because of it. I think it's important for a lot of people because of, even if you don't do boxing to compete, it's great self-defense. If you're ever in danger, it's a good way to know how to get out of it. Right now, I'm working on trying to get an amateur fight, and yeah, that's my goal right now.
What tips do you have for aspiring boxers?
That want to join a gym, just walk in. That's the first thing, The first challenge is, going through that door, and then after that, you're on your own.
All right. Thank you, Brian.
All right.
Hello. Who are you with today?
My name is Fahad.
And how has biking impacted your life?
Biking impacted my life in a good way. It gave me a hobby that I enjoy doing. I like engineering, and I just want to pursue that in college, and it taught me skills that I'll need for the future and help make life easier for me. I started during the beginning year of high school, towards middle year of high school. The way I found out about it is I saw my friend was in Phoenix Bike already, and he told me that if I joined, I could get a free bike, and I enjoy biking, so I thought, why not? And then I just joined, and I learned about biking and stuff.
Cool. And why do you think bike repair is important?
I think bike repair is important because it can teach you important lessons that you'll need later in your life. For me, in my case, I like engineering, and I want to pursue that later in life during college. So it helped me as it's teaching me skills that I'll need later for life.
What tips do you have for people that want to do bike repair?
Some tips I got is consistency. If you only go 1 day a week, you're not gonna learn anything. You're gonna forget the materials. But if you go consistently, you're gonna memorize the materials and hands-on work. Another tip I have is hands-on work, I guess. Knowledge, doing research online, and then actually going to a bike repair shop and volunteering to learn this stuff and practice it online or on hand.
All right. And anything else you want people to know about you?
I'm just a cool guy,
If you'd like to be on the next episode, scan the QR code, and goodbye, Wakefield.
Goodbye, Wakefield.
Goodbye, Wakefield.